It's very simple to get what you want, but it's not easy. It's your job to make yourself do the crap you don't want to do, so you can be everything that you're supposed to be, and you're so damn busy waiting to feel like it, and you're never going to ever. No one's coming, no one's coming to push you. No one's coming to tell you to turn the TV off. No one's coming to tell you to get out the door and exercise. Nobody's coming to tell you to apply for that job that you always dream about. Nobody's coming to write a business plan for you. It's up to you, and because you're only ever gonna do the things that you feel like doing right now, or that feel good right now. Unless you understand that you got to pain yourself. You gotta push yourself. You're not gonna make your dreams come true. If you wanna live your best life, your absolutely best life, you gotta do me a huge favor. You gotta avoid them choice you make. People make bad choice. They wake up and make another bad choice. They make another bad choice. Now they got a habit of bad choice, right? And they like, how did I get here? Choices. How did I get here? You're gonna get to certain places, but you ain't make the choice that's gonna get you there. You all in your feelings. The problem is that most people they can't get up in the morning. They ain't got on energy. They don't got the energy to keep up with me. I'm like to boo and nothing wrong with you. You just ain't got the stamina. You just ain't got the energy. You can't smart everything. You can't outthink everything. Some stuff is just you gotta be powerful. There's just some stuff that you gotta have stamina for. You just too slow. It just take you too long. You wake up take you 3 weeks to do what it could take 24 hours to do. It don't make you a bad person, but you gonna forever be average. Because to be great, you gotta keep up. No alarm clock needed. My patience wakes me up. My drive wakes me up. My determination makes me up. My ability to be, do and have whatever I want. It wakes me up. What wakes you up? What drives you? Why are you playing this game? You gotta begin with the end in mind. So whatever your dreams or your goal is, you gotta wake up every day to it. You gotta go to bed with it. Are you hearing what I'm telling you? You gotta reach out. The music you listen to, everything you do, gotta pour into that dream. I didn't get where I am. I didn't get here being lazy. I didn't get here being watching TV. I didn't get here talking days off. I personally know what it takes. One day I made a decision that enough is enough. I'm tired of being average. I'm tired. I'm tired of being good. I'm tired. I made a decision. Enough is enough. It's short time. In order for you to go from one level to the next level, in order for any woman to transition, for any man to transition, the thing that they want must be greater than the being they currently have. You only transition from one level to the next level when you're tired of the level you're on. You don't belong at the bottom, and it's time for you, yet you're but from down there. It's time for you to stop being comfortable at the bottom. Get your butt up and get where you're supposed to be. Get where you belong. Do what you're supposed to do. Live like you're supposed to live. You wanna kill every single day of my life. I feel like giving 120 every single day. I don't have days where I don't feel like it. Why? Because I'm counting on me. I don't have days to waste. And your grind has to make you a dream. You can't play as much as you used to play. You can't go where you used to go. You can't do what you used to do. And now you gotta pick your grind up. And I need you to wake up every single day. And I need you to use your 24 hours like you never used it before.